Yaga yo, we outside again. Big up to everybody in the place, in the building. And what I want you guys to do is please switch on them notifications, guys, because I post daily, every day. There's over 400 up in this joint, and the views ain't viewing as they should. So maybe it's because you ain't got the notifications on, because I'm bombarding the algorithm, bombarding it, you get me, every day, 7 days a week. So today anyway, we up by Washwood Heath ways. I haven't, been down Washwood Heath Road for absolute years, so we're gonna ride down there, have a look, and see what type of riding style you need to employ to even be down these ways. You get me? Because my theory is everywhere you go, you have to adapt your riding style to. I don't care what anyone says. And obviously that's after you've passed your tests and you've gone through the paces. And the idea is just to try and stay as safe as possible, because you go to certain spaces, man, and people throw the rule books in the bin. You know what I mean? And you've got to adapt to that. And if you don't adapt to that, you're going to be in trouble. You get me? This person here is deciding that they're just going to stay in the right-hand lane. You know what I mean? Maybe they're trying to turn right there. We just don't know. Yep, they're turning right there. So maybe that person was being defensive, planning ahead, which is what we're going to do. We see that parked car there. Pretty quiet up here actually today. Well, this morning anyway. And the wind is still here, man. Mate. Imagine the other day, I think the video's out already. I was coming down, what was it, the 42? And I'm telling you, man, you see them winds there? Yeah, next time I go out and I'm on the motorway, I'm definitely gonna have to check the wind thing, because I didn't think of that. I'm normally just checking out for the rain and the temperatures. But bro, I have to look at that rubbish. But yeah, I don't normally look out for the wind, because it's not so bad if you're just on normal roads like this, but when you're on the motorways, rotted. The bike felt like it was gonna lift up. It was horrible. I had to get my speed right down, man. I was probably doing about 50 or even 40. Look behind me, there's a tail load of traffic, like lorries and that. You get me? Dangerous, man. Yeah, I couldn't wait to get off, man. Could not wait to get off. Horrible. But it was mad that day still, because I thought I'd just have a little ride up by Spark Brookway. Next thing you know, I ended up in fucking Stratford upon Avon. You get me? It was good. It was really good, man. I enjoyed that, to be fair. Apart from coming back, probably the last, say, 5 miles. Horrible, man. Scary. That Warden Park. But yeah, it is freezing, man. It's cold. Usually, if you was on like test standards and stuff, you'd be, dominating your lane. But obviously, we can throw that bit there in the bin once you've, you know what I mean? What I like to do is I like to position myself so I can see what's going on around, vehicles, especially if you're riding behind vans. If you look now, I can't see anything what's going on in front of that van. You know what I mean? So sometimes I'll position myself out so he can see me in the mirror, and then I can sort of have a better view of what's going on in front of him. Oh, they got a bus lane here now. To be fair, I think they needed it. Because when down here is ready to get busy and traffic starts trafficking, it's crazy. I think there should be a campaign, you know, to clean up Brum or something. Because, yeah, the rubbish is ridiculous. I mean, I don't know where the nearest recycling tip is from here, but I see a whole heap of cars, man. I'm sure, do you know what I mean? We can just, you know, neighbours, the community within the areas, and it's not just, oh gosh, police, yeah. And it's not just these areas either, it's all areas, man. Well, not all areas, but every time you come to the ends, there's a bag of rubbish. Man, I'm trying to figure out why that is. Do you know what I'm saying? It's clearly people who live around here is putting the rubbish out there, innit? There's many cars around here. You're telling me that nobody can't just, I don't know, fling the rubbish in a car and just bring it round to the recycling tip or something? I don't really understand it. It's crazy. Like, there's parts of Brum that's looking really, I don't even know if you want to say third worldish, because third world countries, they might not be built up, but I don't think they're nasty. I mean, look at that. The areas have gone to pot, mate. Most of like the ends are looking like that. I mean, there's a bin van there. I mean, the bin man's job is not to get out and walk up and down the streets and pick up people's rubbish that they didn't put where it was supposed to be in the first place. Do you know what I mean? I don't know, man. I think what we're going to do, we're going to have a little look down some of these back roads. Alright, we're going to have a look down there. Oh no, we can't even go down there. The next one. The skip there, you know, so be a fly tipping will be going on in them skips there. Okay, don't look too bad around here. So this road looks alright. I can actually see bins, but no rubbish all over the floor. I think what it is, guys, you, like, for the most part, people take out their rubbish, put it where it's supposed to be. But you know that handful of people that just decide that, oh, my bin's too full, they ain't gonna take it, so let me just dump it there. And what happens here is, once you put one bag just in the middle of nowhere, it breeds, innit? Like, someone else will come past and says, you know something, let me put one next to it, and then another one next to it, and another one, and before you know it, you've just got a pile of rubbish about the place. And then you'll have foxes and rats and all sorts that are trying to, I don't know, find some food. Then it ends up all over the floor. It's disgusting, man. as well, guys, how do you prefer it? Do you prefer it with, you know, videos with a bit of music in the background, or do you prefer just hearing the bike and me chatting shit? Or would you rather just a bike? I don't say a flipping word, mate. You know what I mean? But to be fair, whichever one, you can't please everyone, so I'll just mix it up, innit? Oh, that house is beautiful, man. Beautiful. Okay then, so there's not much to see here, guys. Certain vloggers come up here and it looks absolutely vile, and maybe they've picked up a lot of it, a lot of the rubbish, but I don't know, man. But anyway, guys, this is just a little ride down Washwood Heath Road. Now we're on Alum Road. If you're new to the channel, press the like button, and by all means wipe your foot on the subscribe button. Leave a comment, let me know what you think about Birmingham. Let me know how you feel about the rubbish all over Birmingham streets and all these motor vlogs, all these normal vlogs, sorry. But yeah, I'm out.